When it comes to seam allowances from a pattern and then working with a serger, it's always a little questioning. Do we cut something off? Where do we follow along the edge of? But on this machine, you are going to find that the 5/8" seam allowance is actually marked on the head or front cover of the serger. So if you wanted a 5/8" seam allowance, line up your fabric edge along that line. Part of it's going to get cut off, and then the rest is measured all the way over to the far left needle. Now, if you only have one needle in, you might need to adjust that slightly. But usually with a serger, you aren't doing very tight fitted, tailored items. If anything that was going to be tight, you're probably using a fabric that has some stretch and give. So it's got to have a little forgiveness in it. But usually you do need to cut something off, or you will end up with something slightly bigger than originally desired. So just go ahead, run the fabric right along that edge, cut it off, keep an eye on that. So if you look from here to here, you have that approximate 5/8 seam allowance that you are looking for. One of the accessories that is available for this machine is called a cloth guide. And it's a little guide with a wall that allow you to keep a nice even seam distance from the knife, cutting off the same amount every time. So if that would be helpful for you, that would be a great accessory to add on to this machine.